What up, Munchketeers? It was just 4:20 for me, like, I don't know, minutes ago, and I got cotton mouth, so I was just gonna make myself 420 beverage. You should check it out. It's really awesome. Come on. What up? All right, we're gonna make ourselves a little blood orange beverage amazingness right now. We're gonna need some vodka for this. We're gonna need a little blood orange soda, and we're gonna need a little ice and a shot glass to measure our shots, guys. All right, so I'm gonna make it right now, so pay attention. One more for the luck. All right, 2 shots of vodka, brothers and sisters. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Special ingredient: blood orange. Oh yeah. Straight from Italy, baby. Straight from Italy. What up, my Italian? Wow, that looks fucking amazing, actually. It's like a slap in the ass. Drinks are ready. Yeah. Never, ever drink alone, my fellow Munchketeers.
Yeah! That looks so fucking fantastic.
It'll grow hairs on your chest. Here. I'll
Ready drinking, boys. I'll have another.
Yeah. Salute. Yeah. Wow.
It's fucking fabulous.
It's fucking delicious.
Thanks so much
It's
for inviting me.
fucking- Of course.
Cocktails.
Anytime. My fellow Munchketeers, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, the ingredients are below. Take a gander. Make yourself the cotton mouth stunner. And thank you, my fellow Reef, for coming in on the show. Yeah, if you like what you saw.
Copy jungle.
Copy the jungle, baby. All right. Yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time, my fellow Munchketeers. What up? And I got cotton mouth.